What's your favorite Star Wars movie?
My favorite Star Wars movie? That's a really hard one. Probably A New Hope. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Jedi Hike! This is usually called Hobbit Hike. We usually do Lord of the Rings as a theme. We tried doing a May the 4th special event, but then it got rained out. So we are kind of making that up. A lot of people were really disappointed that we weren't able to do Jedi Hike. So we're doing it tonight, and it's really fun, especially because it's so hot right now. We have an option to go outside at nighttime when it's nice and cool and do this safely.
This is my second Hobbit hike. My first one was the last one over at Wetlands Park.
How'd you like it?
It was great. I had a really good time. I actually reconnected with a friend from high school there. And ever since that, we pretty much hang out every week. And they got me into magic, which made me spend money, which hurt. But it's been fun. Really great. Fantastic community.
Yeah?
Hello.
I guess. That's how we're doing it here.
Yeah.
Just
Excited for this hike, homie? Yeah? Maybe kill it?
She's back. Oh my god. Look at Shelby. Look at Shelby, like the way she's like standing there. She's so like.
She has a job to do and she's executing.
She's executing well.
Keep that.
She didn't give you one?
She gave me a purple one, but I gave it to my guy with the blue one.
Hold on.
Oh, we were so close.
nice.
Appreciate everything you guys like do, not only like what you do for me, but this is amazing. I can't believe it. I'm really happy.
A random post showed up on Instagram. It was for the Hobbit Hike, I believe. And I started following the page since then, and then I saw that they're doing the Jedi Hike, and I was like, oh, that seems really cool. And then looked into it a little bit more, invited some friends, and I was like, yeah, it just seems really cool. I already have a lightsaber. I love it. It's a lot of like people that I can connect with, just on a nerdy level.
Favorite part about the community so far?
Definitely how eager everybody is to kind of like learn about each other, talk, and kind of just like make friends. That's definitely it.
I really wanted to find a way to get nerds out and active. I think for a lot of people that come to these events, this is their first time ever going on a hike, and I wanted to make sure that it felt inclusive and like they would meet their people there. So by doing themed hikes, it was a way to get people excited about getting outside and meeting new people.